like that. You're gonna swing your body over like this. At the same time while you're doing that, stretch it out like a javelin, like this. Once you bring it out, and then you put some torque into it, straight out like that. So first you get this part down. The next part is swinging your body out. Swing your body out. So bring it like this, swing your body out. And then after that, here's the other part where people mess up at too. They just go like this. They just extend their right hand or their power hand forward. You get no lever action like that. What you gotta do is, at the same time, simultaneously, once you got the javelin out like this, and then while you push, you bring down. That gives you more power. Just like that. Bring it out like that. Together. 90 degrees out. Javelin, body twist, push.